In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a video inside of a text in Adobe After Effects. So I have my video here, as you can see, and the first thing I'm going to do is make a text using my text tool here. And then I'm going to adjust my text inside of the properties window here. And just put it where I want to have it. And now the next thing we're going to do is select our video we want to put inside of this text. And then we need the track matte option here. If it's not visible for you, you can click this icon here to toggle the switches or modes. And when you have your track matte visible, we're going to change this track matte to our text layer. And as you can see now, my video is inside of my text. Now, the font you're using, the size of your text will all change the view, but you can still change everything once you've added this video inside of your text. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.